Hi, this video shows how to use the CalMotion USB CNC unit with a Fanuc 11M controller. So first, I actually got this controller off of a CNC lathe that I bought, and I needed to install it on my mill because I was generating too many lines of code and it could only go up to 100,000 lines. This mill is from 1986. And so anyway, my name is Edwin Panaman. I'm from Excentroid Engineering, Machining, and Welding, just outside of Boulder, Colorado. And here's how I installed it. So I put the board on a DIN rail inside there, and then I unscrewed the DB25 port from that hole there, and then I just tucked it inside there, and then hooked it up to the Ethernet, the RJ45 connector, which I chopped down to about 1 meter. And when I first set it up, it wasn't working, except for the doing the CNC to USB, USB to CNC. That worked out fine because I didn't have correct flow control. So that's a good way to test that you can do that you have established some connectivity. So I had a couple issues, and CalMotion got it to. They sent me the settings for the Fanuc 11M controller, and all I did was just plug in all the settings. You know, and you have to have good manuals for it, so I'd invest some time just getting the best manuals possible on your controller. But once I put the settings in, then it all works. So I'll show you how it operates now that I have everything working. So I just hit DNC, and then the file name off the USB, and then start. So then select the mode over to tape, and then so it's all zeroed out on the part and ready to go. The position is 0, and then hit start. Oh, and one more note, so once I got all the correct settings, I was able to back it up with my Memex bubble memory card, and that was really helpful to make sure that I have everything saved. Well, anyway, it's just going to keep on running like that, so I hope that it works for you just as well as it worked for me.